Assalamualaikum everyone! Greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. Yeah, you're wondering why that is the background. I'm sorry about that, yeah. Because I have decided to do my vlog here inside the room because my flatmate isn't outside and she is watching a movie. So yeah, we don't want to interrupt our video. So yeah, I just did it here inside my room, yeah. So the challenge for today is the same thing like what the challenge I did last time with my Moroccan friend. Yeah, here we go, guys. Yeah. So today we're going to have a fungus cheese eating challenge alone. Yeah. So we have prepared a 1 pack of fungus cheese. Yeah, it is well known as blue cheese. Yeah, and here we go, guys. It is quite velvety. Yeah, like that. There's a lot of fungus in there. Yeah, so it's a soft, not dry. It's I guess it's like a young age of a cheese, yeah, when it is in the age of decomposition. Yeah, but anyways, don't worry because this cheese is very healthy cheese. This is not a bad cheese, actually. This is a good bacteria. Okay, guys, so we're going to have a good bacteria today. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so without further ado, let's start the challenge. So I have prepared a grapes, which, oh my god, which I believe that it is very good pair of this.
Yeah, so let's begin! First, I will have these grapes. Yeah. Actually, guys, this is one of my favorite cheese. forgot to tell you guys that the brand of this cheese is Cantorel, which I really love because the cheese is so fine. Yeah, it's very velvety, it's very soft, and it's very juicy to chew. Nice. I wash my hands.
So we only having 2 slices remaining, and I feel like I cannot finish it anymore, so maybe tomorrow I'm gonna finish it. Yeah, because it's really heavy, guys. But I just really like it, that's why. Yeah, I can finish a lot of slices on it. Yeah, so this is the last piece that I will have on this cheese because I'm really totally full. Yeah, there's a lot of fungus in this one. Kind of fungus. here we go, guys. Yeah, we have two left over here. Yeah, two slices of remaining fungus cheese. So we did all of this. Yeah, we finished the task of, you know, having all of the slices over here. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching and supporting my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe Dora the Explorer and press the notification bell down below so you'll get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Thank you so much! Masalamah!